While you focus on your business, we take care of your logistics. LogicPro. Complete logistical solutions for any type of business with assembly and storage based in Mexico. Being part of Adelnor Group allows us to provide a professional and secure service, making the most outstanding infrastructure and experience since 1969. LogicPro has two fundamental business models: packaging and storage. In our packaging service, you'll count on reception, protection, and delivery of your products with precision and at the minimum time. With the latest technology in volumetric packing of 1, 5, 10, and 20 liters, with a capacity of up to 11,000 annual liters, having a mixing process with a specialized infrastructure, blending your products directly at our plant. And so, while our client provides the components, LogicPro takes charge of the labor in packing and packaging, offering the most profitable option for your company, resolving the handle of any liquid product for agriculture. Through our storage service, we solve the whole process of your product supply chain: reception, shelter, and delivery. We focus all our efforts on the correct management at the best possible time throughout the entire Mexican territory. With strategic locations that optimize times at maximum, offering a wide chain of location in the states of Sonora, Sinaloa, Chihuahua, Guanajuato, and Veracruz, with distribution centers in Hermosillo, Ruiz Cortines, Los Mochis, Culiacán, Jiménez, León, Las Vigas, Paso de Ovejas. Having storage space in racks and floor, spilling specialized systems, microcrystal thermal insulation, more than 4,500 platform storage capacity, and 2,600 square meters, management software, and real-time stock control in location. At LogicPro, security is one of our pillars. That's why we count on pest control programs, assuring an innocuous environment for your product, with all permits, norms, and certificates, plus a 24/7 video surveillance system. For all of these reasons and much more, we are confident in being the best solution to your supply chain problems, resulting in less investment for your company's internal management, since we already have all the resources required for an optimal operation of your business, always implementing new services to your advantage, adjusting to your specific needs. Allow us to reduce your operational cost, so your team can focus all their efforts on what's most important: productivity and growth. Meanwhile, we take care of your logistics. LogicPro, Logistic Partnership.